Here doing a mold inspection. We're at a home in Bountiful, Utah, and it's a split entry. Got a sump pump under the front stairs here, and we have a little bit of mold next to the sump pump. Very visible, not hard to find. And sure enough, a home inspector pointed it out when he was in here doing his inspection. The home is for sale, and the owners, the sellers, invited me in to advise them. Unfortunately, they just had a restoration company in here doing water damage cleanup a few months ago, and they dropped the ball and didn't remove this mold. They chose the company through their insurance company. That's who they sent and recommended, and they didn't do a good job for them.